All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about quality should always come first. Quality of the repair should always come first. But first, I got to give a little shout out. So a viewer sent me a nice little package. He didn't leave any name or she, so I can't thank him on camera, but I want to point out they sent me this Mueller Cups hat, nice little snap-on hat, a Lyle hat, and a Summit Racing hat. Thank you to the viewer that did it. I appreciate it very much. So let's get into the video. One of the guys here, and I'm not going to name names, don't ask me to, has been having some quality issues. Have had some cars come back. Unfortunately, a couple on a tow truck. You know, this shop is flat rate. So yeah, he might not have been rushing through those jobs if he wasn't flat rate. He's also a young technician, so it might have happened if he was on hourly. Don't know. I can't tell if it would change anything if he was on hourly because he's not on hourly. My point though is he started to push a little too fast and it caused him problems. He's getting to the point where, oh, I'm starting to get faster, start rushing through those jobs, and next thing you know, you got a car coming back on a tow truck. It's important for young technicians. Quality comes first. I would rather a technician be a little slower and make sure that car is right than rushing through the job, trying to, get it done fast. Speed will come with experience. Quality, well, there's no way around it. If you are not doing quality repairs, speed doesn't matter. As the saying goes, you always got time to do it right the second time. And if you're on flat rate, that means you're doing it for free. And I can't stress enough to young technicians, worry about your quality first and foremost. If people won't understand that, you're a young technician, you're going to be a little slower than the guy that's been doing it for 25 years, you probably need to be working somewhere else, because if they don't understand that, they shouldn't be in this business. I know if you're flat rate, sometimes it's hard to slow down, but again, it's better to slow down, do it right the first time, than have it come back, especially on a tow truck. So you gotta worry about your quality first and foremost. It's better to stop and go, I need to redo this, otherwise it's coming back. We all have that feeling on the back of the neck, oh, this car is coming back. We've all been there, we've all done that. If you think car's coming back, stop, look at it, make sure it's not going to come back. Young technicians coming into this business, you're dealing with, people's lives. Their brakes go out because you didn't do something right, could put somebody in danger. So you got to be careful with your quality. I know I keep saying quality over and over again, but that's the point of the video. Quality comes first. Speed will come with time. Experience. Don't rush through a job just to get it done faster. Do it right the first time. Trust me, you will be faster than if you have to redo it. And nobody likes getting called in the office to get yelled at for a comeback. So best do it right the first time. I know this was real preachy, but he watches my videos, so I know he's going to see this. I know he knows I'm talking about, and I've already had to have a chat with him, so quality comes first. Better to do it a little slower than to do it twice. Thanks for watching.